at the window just to check on the sky. Sun's out, I'm about to have a good time. My friends outside, my car's outside. Let's go outside and have a good time, yeah. Do you love your life? Yes, we love our life.
Hi, Bonnie. And of course, Fern over there stuffing her face. Everest! This is what I'm doing with my compost pile right now. This is where I'm starting at. I just made a outline with the logs so that I know where it's at. I checked their genders, and turns out she had 2 little girls. And I also flipped the nest box over. They're 3 weeks old now. I flipped the nest box, put in fresh new straw, cleaned it out. And that's where we're at with Ivy and her 2 babies. Good morning, guys. Did you stay warm throughout the night?